Hey Cruise family, it's O. Today we're going to talk about what you can expect when you're parking at Cedar Grove Parking Lot in Norfolk, Virginia. Cedar Grove Parking Lot is located at 1000 Monticello Avenue, which is a mile and a half from the port. The lot opens at 10 a.m. and the shuttle starts at 10:30 a.m. Every time we go to Cedar Grove, the setup for layout is a little bit different, but we've sat out of Norfolk and parked at Cedar Grove 4 times and never had an issue.
It's about 9:30. We are checked out of the hotel and we came to the parking lot just to see. So we're here early. The parking lot doesn't actually open until 10. So we got about a 30-minute wait to just kind of hang out here. Yeah. And we got the kids some Pop-Tarts. So, you know, on boarding day, I'm not feeding them like food.
Yeah, we went for that guy's burger.
Yeah.
That's that food, that guy's burger.
Carnival is going to feed them on boarding day. So
if you arrive early, don't worry. They have a staging area right near the gate for cars to wait for the lot to open.
Staging area to get in the Cedar Grove parking lot. People waiting around, just parked. They don't open until 10 right now. They're letting the previous crews off the ship and letting them pull and letting them take everything out.
We've arrived 3 hours before opening and 1 hour after they open. Oddly enough, the time we arrived 3 hours early, we were actually one of the last people to get into the parking lot because of a mishap of how they had us lined up.
Alexander. Boarding day.
Boarding day. Look at them, all excited in 13 and 10-year-old fashion.
The parking lot is already filling up. It's about 3 lanes right now. Not about, it is. It's 3 lanes.
Staging lanes, yeah.
Staging lanes of people lined out waiting to get into the parking lot. But all of these people first have to get out of the parking lot before we can get in, which is normal. It's completely fine. Although I can feel the energy of the people loading their cars right now. It's sad. I can feel their energy, like that frustration when it's like crowded and busy.
It's just ready like that.
Their energy feels sad. It feels disappointing. It feels like we all feel that when the cruise is over and it's time to load your bags back in. Like when you're struggling with a bunch of luggage on the way to the cruise, on the way to the gangway, it's okay. But when you're struggling trying to get a bunch of luggage back in the car just to head back to work, that energy is different.
Put it down, listen.
I'll talk to him too. I ain't feeding none of them.
Yeah,
Not my job for the next 8 days. It's Carnival's job.
Arrive based on your check-in time. Like I wouldn't get there at 11 a.m. if I have a check-in time of 1 p.m. Once the line starts moving, you will pay the attendant. Parking is $15 per day per car, including 15 passenger vans, and they accept cash and credit cards. You will pay when you arrive. Unfortunately, no prepayment is available as of this video. ADA parking is available. Once you pay, the attendants will guide you to the next available parking space that they will want you to be in. As soon as you park and start unloading, porters will be around to start collecting the bags you want checked. They will load the luggage into a U-Haul and take the luggage to the ship. The bags will be delivered to your cabin sometime before 6 p.m. when they are typically finished luggage delivery. This is why you need to keep any important documents, medicine, items with you that you cannot be without on the ship. You might even want to bring a change of clothes in your carry-on bag because the ship will most likely leave before you get your bags delivered to your room. Originally, the lot was unmonitored, but the city has since made upgrades. Now it's fenced and continuously monitored by law enforcement and cameras.
It's not the greatest neighborhood, but it looks like they do have constant security at the parking lot. Good fencing.
Still, I would not leave any valuables in the car overnight if you can avoid it, or leave things of anything valuable visible in the car.
You're so smart.
Hey, beautiful.
Yeah.
These extra shoes that you bought, are you bringing them?
No.
Oh, is it in the car?
They were just for yesterday.
Once you hand off your bags, you can jump into a line and get onto a charter bus. The wait isn't long at all. The buses are running at a constant cycle. The longest we've ever had to wait for a bus to get to the port is 20 minutes.
With this one?
Yeah. So we got 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 38. Okay,
You said-
you'll be the end of the third bus. It's already here, but you're gonna have to go put that, give it to the longshoreman.
Okay.
Yeah, they're not gonna let it on the bus, but it'll be right at your cabin when you get to go.
So they won't put it under the bus so we can carry it on?
No, those two are gonna have to go to be checked.
Okay.
Okay.
The trip to the port is a short one, roughly around 5 to 10 minutes. We wear masks because it's an enclosed space and we don't want anything coming on our vacation that we didn't pack. A few other things to note. There is an ADA accessible shuttle service with a lift. There are porta potties, but no bathrooms. And the same shuttle will bring you back to your car after the cruise.
It's 10:47. We started moving from waiting at 9:53, and it's now 10:47. We're on the bus.
All right, that's everything you need to know about parking at Cedar Grove Parking Lot in Norfolk, Virginia. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any episode of our Carnival 101 series.